Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth with some exciting news. I had to come in here and create the short video because I do not want you to miss out. You see, the clock is ticking right now. This is a very time-sensitive offer. The deadline is quickly approaching on August the 1st. Our new $1,000 level with Infinite 500 is coming, okay? And I'm so excited to share this with you because anyone who gets in between now and the 1st of August is going to have the ability and potential to be receiving new business and personal development training modules, new resources to help you grow your business, and new features to make your earning potential even better and easier. So you're going to be able to resell the $500 digital product package as well as the soon-to-be $1,000 product package and earn on both digital packages because you get to keep 100% of the commissions. So $500 and soon to be $1,000. And this is going to give you a very nice savings if you take advantage of this, okay? By taking advantage of this, you're going to be able to save yourself $600. Now, we're going to just review the sales page because this is what I want you to really focus on when you come through my website. This is working very, very well. It's very simplistic and it does a great job of doing the telling, selling, and explaining for us members. Okay? This past week, it brought me $1,500 alone, and I couldn't be more excited. Now, there's definitely two components here, which I do want to begin by sharing with you, that you can have this practically hands-free, done for you, fully functional, fully automated, and utilize the sales team, the call center sales team, to close all of your sales for you, and you still keep $400. Now, if you close your own sales, you get to keep 100%, which is $500. But hey, two great options. So if you happen to be somebody out there that for whatever reason you just don't want to talk to anybody, you don't want to engage in conversation, dialogue, text messages, emails, phone calls, hey, no worries. That's why we have an incredible professional sales closing team that is going to be there for you and work on your behalf to close all of your sales if you elect to activate this optional feature, and you still get to pocket $400 over and over again, okay? So I just wanted to clarify that with you. $400 in commissions currently if you utilize the sales closers, and if you don't, then $500 in commissions, okay? So making consistent $500 sales has never been easier with Infinite 500. This is a newer program. It's really picking up speed and momentum. People are loving it because of the simplicity. It's a really easy business, and it really doesn't take much time at all. So anyone that comes up with the excuse and says, I don't have time to work this business, you really don't need a whole lot of time, okay? Because you have a system that's out there working for you. It's doing your telling, selling, and explaining. All you have to do is plug in and advertise. You do have to advertise as you would any business. Any real business out there needs to be advertised. But we give you all of the resources. We give you many, many different marketing resources in the back office. And of course, you can certainly use your own. And there's many free methods. If you're somebody who uses social media, you can run with social media. Be that Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. All free resources. Okay? You can do faceless. You can do copy-paste post, image ads, picture ads, text ads. You can do short form video. You can do long form video. You can do talking videos. You can do audio only videos. Again, short form, long form, and you can go live if you want to. So there's a multitude of different options. You can use free high traffic classified websites, and then the back office has a wide variety of different marketing resources from postcards to flyers, and you can even outsource the postcard mailings if you don't have the time. You can use the solo ad providers and just buy clicks, and all you have to do is order on their website and provide them with the link to your website, make your payment, and then your traffic will go out shortly thereafter. And then we even have SMS, text message marketing campaigns as well. So we have a multitude of done-for-you marketing resources that are completely hands-free to make this a fully automated business for you, along with the optional sales closers team. So you're going to definitely want to watch this video here. You know, it's really short, it's sweet, it's simple, it's right on point, and it's doing an amazing job. So somebody can come to your Infinite 500 website in the middle of the night, and you can wake up to a $500 commission. That happened to me once this past week. It was so exciting. Like I say, this past week, my first week in the business, I made $1,500, folks, and I'm just getting started. I am so excited because the timing could not be more perfect. You're definitely in the right place at the right time because the onset of our busy season in this home-based business industry is also upon us. Not only is Infinite 500 launching a brand new digital product package level on the 1st of August, but that typically marks the beginning of the busy season for us in this wonderful home-based business industry. So couldn't be more opportune time of the year to have your own digital business. Okay, wanted to share that with you. So more than just a typical work from home business, this has the potential to be a life-changing opportunity at your fingertips. So you definitely want to review all of this information here. And it's really, like I say, it's taking the work from home industry and the internet by storm because it's just so simple and it's automated. It's affordable, in my opinion, for the masses because there's no monthly fees. That's what I love about this business. I know most people do not, they don't care for monthly fees, including myself. So there's no monthly fees here, and you're going to get some incredible value and training inside the digital products in the e-learning industry and great marketing resources to help you to build, grow, and scale your very own online business in 2024 and beyond, okay? So I know there's a lot of people out there that need to make extra income, okay? It's no longer a luxury, it's a necessity just to make ends meet. But what if we could show you a way to not only make some extra money, but to perhaps, if you aspire to even replace your current job, with this, you can do that, okay? And Infinite 500 has broken the mold and would like to prove to you that making money online is not just a dream, but it is a reality, okay? But you've got to take action, take the initiative, and get started, especially to take advantage of what we have coming on the 1st of August, because you're going to be able to have 2 levels that you're going to have the potential to earn 100% commissions with, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you, all right? So absolutely amazing, all right? And you can review all of this wonderful, wonderful information. This is the products that you're going to be getting. And I've done several videos leading up to this video where I give you a guided walkthrough of the back office. So I do encourage you to check those out on my Retire with Marybeth YouTube channel. But you're going to get an amazing YouTube mastery course, a effective Facebook marketing course, a business blueprint mastery to show you step by step, giving you a blueprint how to build this business, okay? How to build your email list and all those essentials, everything you need to get results and have success, including developing and acquiring a business mindset, okay? Because that's equally important. We're going to give you the skill set and we're going to give you the mindset. So you're going to have the best of both worlds to run with and truly help you to reach all of your professional and financial goals with this incredible online business this year, okay? And then TikTok mastery. TikTok is really hot, folks, and it's so simple. There's so many people out there on TikTok looking for side hustles. So this is a perfect platform to learn and earn with, and you can do TikTok all for free. Okay, I love TikTok. I got really serious with mine at the beginning of this year, and it's just a great traffic platform and a great traffic resource, okay? So just wanted to share that with you, okay? And notice that these products and courses are all part of the wonderful product library at Infinite 500. So anytime that Infinite 500 finds value in products, they're added to the existing product library, okay? So the company's always making sure that the value of the overall Infinite 500 system far outweighs and exceeds the initial investment, okay? So this is everything you're going to be getting right here, so you can review it. Beautiful capture pages, high converting sales page, built-in autoresponders that follow up with your prospects and help you to produce sales without lifting a finger. And if you also want to integrate your own autoresponders, such as GetResponse or Aweber, you have the option to use those two, or you can just use the company CRM, and they have pre-written follow-up emails that'll go out for you on your behalf, okay, for an extended period of time, okay? They have amazing lead and sales tracking, so you can see how your ad campaigns are doing, okay? And you can evaluate your results. That way you can grow, scale it, and add on, okay? Which I think is very insightful. And then they have 24/7 email support, built-in proven marketing resources. Like I said, I love these. There's postcards, do-it-yourself, and done-for-you options. There's flyers. There is solo ad resources. There is marketing resources, that website traffic resources that you can go and buy clicks in addition to the solo ad traffic and clicks. And then there's SMS text message broadcast campaigns that you can also utilize as well. Okay, so built-in proven marketing resources, plug and play, very simple, so that you can start to cash flow in the shortest amount of time. You do have to advertise. Okay, there's also, this is what I love, this is what separates this business from many others out there, the optional callback team that'll call your leads and do all the follow-up as well. The callback team, when activated, will go up to bat for you, work effortlessly and tirelessly on your behalf, and this optional feature can make this business a fully automated and passive experience for you if you choose to use it. Okay, I do recommend using it. They're doing an amazing job over there. Okay, and you still get to earn $400 over and over again. So this is easily a $5,000 value worth of products and resources for a small, single, one-time investment. You know, understand this, folks. It takes money to make money. If you ever expect your life to change, you have to be willing to change it. You have to be willing to take action, and you have to be willing to invest in yourself, both from a financial perspective and from a time element perspective, okay? So just wanted to share that with you. This is the total cost to get in right now, and then you're going to get that soon-to-be new product package. So you're going to be able to save yourself $600. So this is what you can do. You can go ahead and use this. This is why I have this here. Currently, my call center feature is activated. Here's the number, 877-1-877-592-3835. Here is my sponsor ID that you'll need to provide if you choose to go this route, okay? Or if you're ready to go, folks, you could just simply click here to register, and you'll be taken inside. You'll be given all the instructions. I do accept credit cards, Cash App, Venmo, just to let you know. And I also do have Square Afterpay. So in my previous videos, like I've mentioned, you can split this up into 4 interest-free installment payments, and I'd be more than happy to provide you with an invoice if that is something that can accommodate you right now, because you don't want to delay. You want to get started today, okay, especially to get in, and then you still have a few days remaining where you can take this very wonderful special bonus offer and savings and offer it to all of your new prospects and leads. So I think that's amazing, very amazing. But again, 1-877-592-3835, and you can let them know Marybeth Angelelli sent you. You'll need to provide them with my sponsor ID, which happens to be 7614-1864. Or you can click here, fill out the short form, and bypass this and register here and make your 2 one-time payments. If you want to go with Square Afterpay, just text or call me, okay? This is me right here. This is my personal cell, 330-787-1795. Again, any questions should you have, you can reach out to me, okay, directly. I welcome all serious inquiries, and I'd love to welcome you to my Infinite 500 team and to this amazing opportunity today. Okay, this is my social media. You can have your picture here, your contact details, phone number being optional. This will take you to my Facebook, my TikTok, and my YouTube. So thank you very much for allowing me to come back here, give you some great, exciting updates. And I look forward to seeing you very, very soon on the inside. You're going to love it here. This is as simple as it gets. Literally plug and play. We give you all the marketing resources that have been tested and proven to work. That eliminates the guesswork out of the equation. There is a very high response, high converting short video that does the telling, selling, and explaining 24/7. You definitely want to watch this. It's exciting. I love it. I love it. First time I watched it, folks, I was all in, okay? And then we've got a great callback team that's doing a superb job over there in the call center. They're making us sales all week long, and they can do the same thing for you too. So thank you so much. I'll see you on the inside. My link is below, paidlikemarybeth.com, 330-787-1795. Just head on over now to paidlikemarybeth.com. This is what it's going to look like, okay? So you're going to know you're in the right place at the right time, paidlikemarybeth.com. You may need to type that into your browser, and you're going to see how we finally cracked the code to multiple $500 payments, daily potential, okay? Making sales just like this without fail has never been easier than right now. You'll just enter your first name, last name, a good valid email. You'll take these two, you'll add them up, and whatever numbers you see. Mine currently has an 8 and a 5, so that would be 13. Yours could be different. Show me more, okay? So if you're serious about taking your earning potential to the next level and changing your life, you know what to do, folks. Go to my website, review all the information, and I'm happy to help you get started today. Thank you so very much. See you on the inside. Bye-bye.